If you're trying to figure out how to customize fields in TeamGate CRM to make it work better for your team, stick around. I'm about to show you how it's done and highlight some hidden features you might not even know exist yet. By the end of this video, you'll have the complete guide to customizing fields in TeamGate CRM, and even find out about some alternatives that might suit your needs even better. Let's dive straight into it. To get started with customizing fields in TeamGate CRM, head over to the Settings section. You'll find us in the top right corner of your screen. Once you're there, look for the Custom Fields option under the Data Management section. This is where all the magic happens. Next thing you'll want to do is decide whether you're working with contacts, deals, or any other data point in the system. TeamGate CRM allows you to customize fields across all of these, but each section will have its own set of fields that you can tweak. If you're just getting started, you'll probably want to focus on the ones that are most relevant to your business. The third thing you should know is that adding custom fields in TeamGate is simple. Once you've selected the section you're working with, just click Add Field. From there, you can choose from a variety of field types. You can go with basic text fields, drop-downs, checkboxes, or even dates. These are customizable depending on what information you're looking to collect, and you can give each field a name that's easy for your team to understand. Now, let's talk about editing and deleting fields. After adding a custom field, you can easily adjust it later. If you decide a field isn't necessary, just click on it and select Edit to modify the field's details. If it's a field you no longer need, simply click the trash icon to remove it. Remember, deleting a field removes the data associated with it, so be cautious before you do that. The next thing is one of TeamGate's powerful but often overlooked features, conditional logic. This allows you to show or hide certain fields based on previous choices, like selecting a particular deal type or choosing a contact status. This is great for keeping your CRM clean and making sure your team doesn't get bogged down by irrelevant data. It's especially useful if you want to make sure only certain people on your team see specific information. One thing to keep in mind is that, while TeamGate CRM does allow for customization, it's somewhat limited when it comes to advanced customization features. You're able to add basic fields, but if you need more complex integrations or deeper customization, you might start to feel restricted. If you have very specific needs, it's worth considering a competitor CRM that might give you more flexibility. The final thing I want to mention here is how to save your customized settings. Once you're happy with your custom fields, don't forget to save them. TeamGate will automatically save changes as you go, but always double-check to ensure everything is set up exactly how you want. So, while customizing fields in TeamGate CRM can be quick and intuitive for most standard business processes, if you're running a larger team or need something more adaptable, you might find its customization capabilities a bit lacking. Now, here's the thing. If you're looking for something more robust and with a broader range of customization options, we've found a few alternatives that might actually be a better fit for your needs. I've included some fantastic options that also offer free trials, and through our link, you'll get the best deal and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Be sure to check the description for all the details on how to access the exclusive extended free trials and some of the best CRM options out there. Don't forget to click that link for the best free trial and exclusive benefits.